Good morning, students. Let us revise chapter number 1, Living and Non-Living Things. Children, we have done following topics in this chapter. First is man-made and natural things. The things made by humans are called man-made things. For example, buildings, cars, they all are made by humans. So they are called man-made things. The things which are given by nature are called natural things, like sun, rocks. They all exist themselves. Nobody has made them. They are given by nature. So I hope that the difference between man-made and natural things are clear to you. The next is characteristics of living things. The first characteristic is living things need food to get energy and to do work. All living things, whether human beings, animals, plants, they all need food to grow and to do work. Next characteristic of the human being is, all the living beings is, living beings show movement. All animals, birds show movement in their own way. For example, birds move with the help of their wings. A fish moves with the help of fins and its tail. Similarly, a reptile like a snake moves with the help of its body. And plants also show movement according to their environment. Living things breathe. Human beings like us, we all breathe through our lungs. Plants, plants breathe through their leaves. They have small tiny pores on their leaves which are called stomata. They help plant to breathe. And insects also have small holes under their body which help them to breathe. These small air holes are also called spiracles. Okay, children? The next characteristic of living things is living things feel. We human beings have 5 sense organs that help us to sense the world around us. The plant like mimosa can also feel. When we touch the leaves of this plant, the leaves close down on their own. Similarly, a sunflower also can feel the heat of the sun and always turns its face towards the sun. The next characteristic is living things reproduce. I have told you earlier also that living beings reproduce by 2 ways. First, by laying eggs. For example, hens and frogs. The hen lay eggs and then the egg hatch out and the chicks come out. Similarly, a frog, it also lays number of eggs and some of them hatch out and they become tadpole. Okay, children? And some reproduce by giving birth to babies straight away, like cat, dog, human being and cows. They all give birth to babies. Okay, students? Now another characteristic which we are going to discuss today itself is living things grow and change. A puppy grows into a dog. A bud grows into a flower. You can see in the pictures also, a puppy grows into a dog. Okay, the physical appearance also changes. So living things grow and change. Similarly, a rose bud develops and grows into a rose flower. Same change you can see in human being also, where an infant, a small baby, becomes a young boy, then an adult, and then an old person. Now this you can observe at your home also. You all can ask your mothers for your picture of your childhood and you can see the difference from then and now. You can compare your photographs. Okay, so I hope that this characteristic of human being living things is also clear to you, that they grow and change time to time. Now let us see the difference between living and non-living things. Living things, they move, they need food, they feel, they breathe, they reproduce, they grow and change. Whereas non-living things cannot do all these things. They do not move, they do not need food, they do not feel anything, they do not breathe, and so on. So I hope that this whole chapter is clear to you all and the difference between living and non-living things has been understood. Okay children, thank you so much and have a nice day.